Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Birmingham Centre, sharing with you today this gorgeous looking Volkswagen Transporter, available here in the Highline short wheelbase and powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with DSG automatic gearbox. Finished here in a stunning pure grey colour. Make sure to check out the description below as this car packs a number of fitted extras. Key equipment highlights here will include the benefit of the stunning full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, whilst added visibility will be added thanks to front and rear fog lights. Round the side you'll also enjoy these contrasting 16-inch alloy wheels here, Clayton, and in the rear you also have got LED dynamic rear indicators as well. Passenger in the front will also enjoy this stylish and comfortable twin seat setup with two-tone cloth upholstery here and a hidden compartment underneath, whilst the back will offer a reinforced bulkhead as well with wood paneling all around to protect your cargo load area, and there are even tether hooks to tie down items. Opening in the rear will also reveal a more practical entrance with twin LED light illumination to make sure you can always find all your items. A quick glimpse in the front cabin will also offer decorative door and dash inserts, with the upgraded front driver's seat offering this cockpit setup with twin armrests. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, offering adaptive cruise control and various controls for the TFT screen up ahead. There's a digital speedometer on offer, as well as a host of active safety systems to protect you and your occupants at all times. All your music and Bluetooth needs can easily be operated directly at your fingertips, whilst overhead are large cup holders, a 12-volt charger and loads of cabrio storage. In the center you will find this touchscreen infotainment with physical shortcuts, offering the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs as well. Whilst pairing your phone for Bluetooth will allow you to stay in touch with all your family and friends. Best of all, there's AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone projection on offer, with other benefits including an adjustable speaker sound system that will appeal to many of you. Other great features in this vehicle will also incorporate the benefit of front and rear audible and visual parking sensors, complemented by the upgraded rear view camera. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use air conditioning is also complemented here by winter pack heated front seats, offering 3 state settings for both the driver and passenger, and even a heated climate front windscreen to help you defrost on a cold frosty morning. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Transporter Highline that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this stunning machine, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.